Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be returning this seat and giving my 1 week review on it. I guess that's a way to lead with it, right? So as I'm riding to the dealership, I'll go ahead and give y'all my thoughts on it and why I'm returning it. Nothing bad with the seat, just some stuff that I'm not necessarily comfortable with, or you know, of the such, but I'll go ahead and talk to you about the rest in a little bit. Alright, so my 1 week thoughts on it. So firstly, it looks amazing. It's a beautiful quality built seat. I like the diamond stitch. I think I mentioned that in my previous video, that the diamond stitch was something I was going for. So it looks really nice, feels high quality. The bottom has felt, which is also really good, so it doesn't scratch up the paint or like the frame. Like I said, just really nice quality seat. But the issue for me, I guess, and this would only apply if you're a bigger guy or a bigger person. If you're a bigger person, is that the seat is a lot thinner than stock, or a lot narrower than stock, I should say. And so when you're riding, you don't really feel it. You can't really tell the narrowness difference. Like, it has the padding where it needs to be, and it has that wall in the back that supports your lower back. So it's not bad in that aspect of comfort. I didn't get to go on a longer ride with it though, but I do feel like it's broken in a little bit compared to, you know, the first day I rode it. The first day I rode it, it was super stiff, but now it's softened up a little bit. But anyways, so when you do feel the narrowness of the seat is when you put your feet down, whether you're at a light or if you're backing up your bike into a spot. And so I realized this that first day, the first day I had it. It hasn't happened since, but I've ended up burning myself when I put my foot down, or when I was walking it backwards into a parking spot. I ended up burning my thigh, or like the inside of my leg, and it freaking hurt. And I guess it's just, I just had to get used to it or something. But you know, for me, I'm a really big guy, and so having to make sure of that every single time is kind of, you know, kind of a hassle. Not necessarily a hassle, but this would definitely be a better seat for like a smaller guy or something. Someone who can, you know, watch where their legs are going, I guess. Not 100% sure how to word that. But really, that's my only gripe about it. The other thing is, I was riding it the other day and I got caught in the rain. And so the actual seat obviously didn't get like water on it really, because I was sitting down, and then I had my backpack behind me, which was covering like the two-up seat, the passenger seat. But when I did get to where I was going and I got to look at the seat and how it held up, the sidings, the sidewalls, it's vinyl, it's also not leather, but the sidings where it got wet, it kind of looked like cheetah print. And so it kind of left marks where the water was. And after it sat in the sun for a little bit, the cheetah prints ended up going away. But that was something I didn't like, especially initially, because it looked really bad, and it took a while for the sun to dry it out. Or I guess not to dry it out. See, I don't know if the water was stuck in the seat or if it was just sitting on the surface of the vinyl. So it was just really weird to me. It looked very cheetah printish. I just wasn't a fan of it. It went away, but then my question to myself was, okay, well, how much water can this take before it starts becoming permanent, or will it become permanent? And I don't know if that's just their choice in vinyl, or if that happens to almost all of these aftermarket seats. So this was the first aftermarket seat I've tried out. So I didn't really have anything to base it off of besides the stock seat, but I do know the stock seat. I've had the stock seat get soaked before, and there was never any discoloration. The water never seeped through to the bottom or anything like that. So, I mean, like I said, that's really it for this seat. Other than that, it's a really nice seat. Pick up that wind noise right there. So other than that, it's a really nice seat. But I just want to go take it to the dealership and let them know my actual thoughts on it. See what they say. The guy told me that I could return it if I didn't like it after I gave it a little test period. So that's what we're doing. I called them up on Wednesday because they have my stock seat there because I didn't have a vehicle to go pick it up in. So hopefully if they are able to return it, I can go ahead and just switch back on the stock seat and we'll be fine. If they can't return it, I guess I'll have to come back, pick up my roommate's vehicle because my truck is in the valley or down in South Texas with my family. So that'll be a whole big hassle, but I guess we'll see. But I'll go ahead and talk to you guys when I get back to the dealership and we'll see what happens. Back at the dealership. I didn't even know that they had an event going on today. I guess they have an event going on today that I was not aware of. Guys, so that was it. I was able to get my stock seat back, return the other one. Megan here at the parts department, she was recommending looking into the Mustang seats and everything, because I told her that my concern was, you know, just the width, and so she was recommending Mustang. What other one did she recommend? Well, Mustang being like one of the main ones that she recommended. So I said I'm just gonna go test out the others and test out some more seats and see how it goes. I mean, it's kind of hard unless you test them out on your own, and so I'm thankful that Frank there at the parts department, the manager there in the dealership, he let me test that one out and see if I liked it. The only funny thing is that so what happened when I bought that other seat is they took it out of the box and out of the stock packaging, and they put my stock seat in that same packaging. So right now when I returned it, they went to go get that box back, and when they opened it, I had rode it in the rain, it had just rained right before I went in or something, and so my seat was soaked in water, which really so that whole bag was full of water. didn't know they were having an event today, so they were doing hamburgers and beers. So I had me a beer and a hamburger, or 2 hamburgers, because I go to work in a little bit. I'm hungry. It worked out well. So yeah, that's how that went. Everything worked out well. So with that, I'll leave you guys there. If y'all have any recommendations for seats for, you know, a bigger guy, I mean, I've been trying to do my research. I don't know, I was really dead set on the Lepera kickflip, but from speaking to Megan, she said that it's kind of, that I would be kind of in the same ballpark as I was with the Predator 3 or the Drag Specialties Predator 3. So like I said, if y'all have any recommendations, go ahead and leave them in the comments down below. Thank y'all for watching. If y'all like the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe. So y'all have a great day. Bye.